What if your body's own defenders could turn against you, mistaking healthy cells for enemies in a betrayal that affects over 50 million Americans alone? Right now, in 2025, a groundbreaking Penn Medicine study is mapping individual immune fingerprints, revealing how subtle dysregulation sparks autoimmune chaos before infections even strike. If that internal rebellion has you riveted, hit that like button if you're ready to decode why we fall ill and how our immune system fights back. Because this exploration into sickness's secrets is about to arm you with knowledge that feels like a superpower. Sickness sneaks in like an uninvited guest, turning your body into a battlefield where tiny invaders clash with an army of trillions of cells designed to protect you. The core mystery: why does this sophisticated defense sometimes falter, letting viruses, bacteria, or even our own tissues trigger havoc? It's not just about catching a cold. It's the intricate dance of recognition, response, and recovery that can mean the difference between a sniffle and a crisis. At its heart, the immune system is your personal guardian, a network of white blood cells, antibodies, and organs patrolling 24/7. But glitches like overreactions or blind spots explain everything from allergies to chronic fatigue, with global health reports estimating 2 billion people battling infections yearly. This isn't niche, it's the front line of human resilience, amplified by 2025's surge in personalized immune profiling that promises tailored fixes. Let's unpack why sickness strikes. Framing it so personally, it's like peering into your own body's hidden war room. Urgent, because in an era of pandemics and rising autoimmunity, grasping this could be your shield. Imagine your immune system as a vigilant neighborhood watch, scanning for suspicious characters, pathogens with tools like T-cells as sharp-eyed detectives and antibodies as custom handcuffs. But slip-ups happen. A virus mutates its disguise, or stress fatigues the guards, letting intruders multiply unchecked. It's relatable. Think of that pounding headache when a cold hits, like an elephant trampling your energy. But that's inflammation rallying troops, sometimes overzealously. The pressure mounts, knowing 2025 data from global health trackers shows autoimmune diseases spiking 15% in urban areas, tied to environmental triggers that confuse the system into attacking self. Recent threads online buzz with stories. One viral post detailing how a subtle hormone lets cancer silence defenses, allowing tumors to evade detection like stealthy spies. This makes the enigma urgent, as if ignoring these flaws leaves us vulnerable, while tuning in could prevent the next outbreak. And stats build credibility. A fresh analysis this year overturned old views on memory cells, proving they hold grudges against pathogens for decades, fostering trust that sickness isn't random, but a puzzle we can solve. Shifting to the now, the immune landscape thrums with heroes whose breakthroughs turn near defeats into victories, their narratives pulsing with drama like a thriller unfolding in labs worldwide. Picture E. John Wary at Penn Medicine, the immunologist whose 2025 deep dives into exhausted T-cells, those weary warriors in chronic fights, sparked a turnaround by pinpointing revival, switches his team, dodging data dead ends to map how these cells recharge against viruses. Humanize it. Envision the late-night glow of microscopes as they nearly miss a key protein, only for triumph when it unlocks paths to supercharge responses in cancer trials. Bizarre uncovers abound, like the discovery of a bone marrow niche so immune-privileged it could halt autoimmunity, with real-time semantic searches highlighting viral clips of researchers debating this sanctuary's role in tolerance. One thread explodes over a Tokyo lab's nodal cycle, links to weather immune ties, blending awe with tension as models teeter on collapse before stabilizing predictions. Another from a biotech insider shares engineering T-cells inside the body, a game-changer dodging ex vivo hassles, their arc from failed infusions to successful in vivo tweaks keeping the buzz alive. These aren't abstract, they're tales of underdogs like the UNSW team, unveiling a mechanism to amp T-cells against cancers. Their joy in flipping immune switches mirroring our own battles, turning potential setbacks into strides that redefine health. Drop in the comments, what's your wildest immune hack that actually worked? Looking forward, immune science's trajectory sparks optimistic visions, rooted in tech that could rewrite sickness's script. AI simulations, processing petabytes of cellular data, might predict flare-ups, unlocking cures for autoimmunity or fixes for aging defenses that wane with time. Envision algorithms crunching immune profiles to craft vaccines, thwarting superbugs, aiding climate-driven disease surges by bolstering resilience. Skeptics note the complexity genes vary wildly, therapies risky, but a fresh report last month counters with refined models hitting accurate predictions, while private labs, as threaded recently, invest billions in personalized boosters. This nods to hurdles. Ethics loom, yet nature's evergreen insights affirm multifunctional roles evolving fast. We're on the cusp of this wave, and you'll wonder what health revolutions we bypassed. The abyss of vulnerability stares back, but with depths untold in our biology, it's exhilarating. Tools like predictive apps already mimic this, forecasting allergies without over-reliance's edge, hinting at a future where immunity is double-edged sword guarding, yet sometimes striking inward harnesses nature's hidden fortitude for progress. Tag a friend who needs their mind blown. What if tomorrow's immune tweaks make sickness obsolete? To wrap the essence, craft a bold what-if saga, epic and inspiring, where mastery over immunity births a new era. Meet Dr. Lina Ruiz, a virologist in her 40s, haunted by a childhood illness that stole her sibling, now leading a 2050 initiative fusing AI with gene edits to engineer flawless defenses. Their gamble, a nanoserum reprogramming T-cells to anticipate threats, tested amid a global superbug outbreak. Cinematic surge, Lina deploys the trial in a quarantined city. Visions of collapse haunting tension peaks as simulations glitch, doubters deriding her hybrid approach. But data cascades, predictive modeling surpassing rivals by weaving real-time pathogen evolutions, her cells adapting faster than any virus. Glory unfolds, infections halt, populations thrive under enhanced shields. Lina, awakening to global cheers, her preserved resolve, evolving preventive tech for all. Yet soul-rich, she connects with a young patient echoing her past, channeling this power to revolutionize energy via bioharvested defenses against environmental ills. This isn't whimsy. Advanced projections forecast 80% efficacy by then, emphasizing how sicknesses science isn't mere battle, it's evolution. Our innate superpower amplified by will, outstripping surface tales with profound health renaissance. Why does this immune intrigue matter for our shared horizon? Because it echoes eternal drive's curiosity, unraveling biology's knots. Survival meshed with advancement, tech's blade honing cures while warning of oversteps. It's like an elephant of infection lifting, spurring bolder vitality. This reshaped my worldview, turning every ache into a lesson, every recovery a triumph. Smash subscribe for more plunges into the impossible. Comment your sickness survival story below and share with your wellness crewbie, because the body's whispering, and who knows what defenses you'll unlock next.